Hi, Hal Carnago. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show today. I'm introducing a new product that Schulte has called the Wascana. It's a skid steer brush cutter, and it's rated to do 8 to 10 inch brush or trees. And with this unit, you should be using 35 gallons per minute flow and up on it. This unit uses carbide tungsten teeth. We weighed the teeth in at about 6 pounds a piece, and they are retained with a single bolt. Those bolts should be tensioned every day just to make sure the torque is correct on them. The unit has a push bar on it, so if you're coming into higher brush, it'll help push the trees down and work it in. And it's available with adjustable skid shoes, so you can set some depth if you need to get a little deeper. This unit here that we have at the show has just the standard skid shoes on. I'll show you the drive system on it. So this unit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drive belts on it, and a tensioning system on there to tighten up the belts. And the unit comes with a pressure gauge on, so you can monitor your pressure, and a bobcat mount, and heavy duty chain guards on the back to prevent any material from coming back on the unit. Unit comes with the heavy duty hose kit with couplers for the skid steers, and jack here to support it when it's not being used. So for more information on this unit, you can go to www.schulte.ca, and we will have some videos of the unit on YouTube as well at Schulte Industries. Thank you.